Good morning. Today we will solve exercise 8, page 108. The question is, given that the angle BAC equals to 90 degrees, BM is the bisector of ABC, H is the orthogonal projection or the perpendicular drawn from M to BC, N is the symmetric of M with respect to BC. I have to prove that MA equal to MH. Here is our figure. Let's make the given plotted on the figure. BAC equal to 90 degrees. Okay, this means that BA is perpendicular to AC at A. Okay, BM is the bisector of ABC. Bisector divides the angle into two equal adjacent angles. This means that MBA equal to MBC. Okay, H is the orthogonal projection from M. It means that from M I have to draw the perpendicular to BC and name it H. And N is the symmetric of M with respect to BC. When I say that N is symmetric of M with respect to BC here, with respect to point H, it means that MH equal to MN. I have to prove that MA equal to MH. This is MA and this is MH. How can we prove them? Let's think about the properties of bisector or perpendicular bisector maybe. And let's see what we will get. They told me that BM is the bisector of ABC. BM is the bisector and any point on the bisector is equidistant from both sides. So MH and MA, these sides, I want to compare them and prove that they are equal. Since M belongs to the bisector of ABC, and given that MH perpendicular to BC and MA perpendicular to AB, so directly I can say that MA equal to MH. Okay, it looks like the application that we solved in the explanation of bisector. Now I have to prove that CN plus NH equal to CA. This is CN and this is the line NH. I have to prove them equal to the line CA. So if you look well, I have to prove here CM is divided into CA is divided into two segments. The first one is CM and the second is MA. But since AM equal to MH, we proved it before, and N is the symmetric of M with respect to H, this means that NH equals to MA. Here we proved NH equal to MA. But CA, here CM is divided into two segments, CM and MA. We found MA, so I have to prove that CM equals to CM. Since we said that BH is perpendicular to MN here, and we proved that MH equal to HN, so we can say that BC is the perpendicular bisector of MN. Again, given that this line BC is perpendicular to MN at its midpoint, how do I know that H is the midpoint? Since N is symmetric of M with respect to H, that means that H is the midpoint. Okay, so now BC is the perpendicular bisector of MN. Then I can say that C is equidistant from both extremities of MN. So CN equal to CM. And since we proved that Cn equal to Cm and NH equal to Ma, then Cm plus Ma equal to Ca. Okay? Now how to prove it? Cn plus NH equals to Ca. That's what we will prove. Since N is symmetric of M with respect to BC, then BC is the perpendicular bisector of MN. That's what we said, BC perpendicular bisector of segment MN. So Cn equal to Cm, since any point on the perpendicular bisector is equidistant from both extremities of the segment. And NH equal to Nm, since H is the midpoint of Mn. So, by substitution, Cn plus NH, we replaced here Cn by Cm, since we proved it above, and NH by MH, since H is the midpoint of Mn. So, Cm plus MH, but we proved before MH equal to Ma, so replace MH by Ma. Since Cm plus Ma gives us Ca, so we proved that Cn plus NH equal to Ca. Please write the answers on your classwork copybook, and if you have any question, you can directly contact me. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for your attention.